Well, Colleen is going to be on her way this morning, and this sounds so much better. It is running so good. I'm so happy I did come out here and give her a hand. It's warming up right now. It sounds as good as the Coachman. I'm happy. Bye. So, all right. There is the Ohio River, and we are in Kentucky. We've continued on our way. It's a beautiful day. Let's get cold tonight, but then just for one night. We're gonna head back here to a campsite that we found. It's gonna be free camping, no utilities, and that's fine. That's the kind of thing we like. We have our own utilities. Thank you very much. I will say the roads back here are very narrow. There, you can probably get a compact car between that double yellow and the edge. The Coachman's kind of, ooh, man, there's a nasty bump. The Coachman kind of takes up more than the lane. There we go. It's a little bit wider here. I can fit it in this. Yeah, there's no outlet. Yeah, so we're gonna dead end, I think, at the camping area. I think we got another view of the Ohio here. This might be a little bit better. And as we go down around the bend, and I think it's actually, by the time we get out there, we got a few more miles to go on this rickety little road. I think we actually end up on a hill further, and then there'll be an overlook with a nice view. I don't know, the last quarter of a mile, yeah, it might be a little bit rough. And don't forget I'm towing the car, but so far it's okay. Let's hope it don't get any worse. Bella's panting. She's like, we're back in, what are we doing back here? We're getting ready to be somewhere great. There's a canoe kayak launch to the left. Down there. Yeah, hopefully we won't get any more bad spots. The Hartage Wildlife Reserve. Just the Easy does it. The Easy does it. Yeah, I need to clean my windshield. Maybe I'll do that while we're out here.
600 feet, you will arrive at your destination.
Yeah, maybe I won't. I don't know. We have hill climbed, some serious hill climbing to get up here. We are way up on the hill. It's beautiful up here. It should be worth it. I mean, it's just really, really nice up here. It is just taking some doing to get way up here. Wow. I know I'll be in low gear when we go back down over. Wow. This is a little bit more than a ride, just a ride in the country. I guess there's horse trails and, I don't know, hiking. No off-road vehicles though, no quads and stuff. All right, check this out. That sign up there says Campsite 5 is off to the right. Okay, it's a dirt road. At least it hasn't been raining, and I don't think there's any rain in the forecast for the next couple of days. Russ is going up there through the field. There's something back there. And then the other side says Campsite 6, 7, and 8, which are down that way. Russ is gonna go explore before we go taking the Coachman with the car in tow, you know, down over some other hill or something. And I don't know what is straight. There's no signs that say that there's anything straight ahead. So anyway, there's plenty of room here. I can spin this whole rig around. I just don't know what lays ahead either direction. This is really kind of crazy up in here. Yeah, I would want to come back here if it had been raining. Unless you had four-wheel drive or something. That's this probably gets pretty muddy. So, and there's this little sign up here, probably says, you know, campsite 6 is off to the right, and it's like maybe down over the hill. I don't know. And Russ is gonna come back up behind me and go out that way a little further and see what's out there. Well, we found a site, and it's kind of an odd area up here. We're gonna take a walk out there in a second, but this works pretty nice. This nice little site right here, just outside of the fields. Actually, it's just on the other side of my RV. We're just off the road, and actually the little car is still almost on the road. But we set up a got my little gas grill out. We might grill some chicken after a bit, and a little fireplace, campfire thing here, fire ring. That's right there, me right there. It's a cozy little spot. See what I mean? We're just kind of off the road, but there's plenty of, and you can tell people's made like different paths. You know, probably when it rains and gets wet, and this is better than the old, or this there's ruts in here. No, I haven't drugged the car or drugged the coachman or anything, but there is rain in the forecast for. We got plenty of time. We might head out of here pretty soon, though. We've actually been here a little while. We're skipping ahead. What, 2 days? Yeah, so we've been here a while. But yeah, all these big grassy fields. The weirdest thing happened, all right, in these high grasses. They're not even that high, but we was gonna park up there in full sun up on a hill, and you wouldn't believe the ladybugs we stirred up. They were everywhere. And then so we decided to come back down here to this spot. So yeah, lesson learned. Good pulling in that grass. It's kind of like a hayfield almost. It's, you know, if it grows tall enough, you mow it once in a while and bale hay. But yeah, that was a lesson learned. Anyway, we might be heading out of here pretty dang soon. Okay, I'll level with you. The truth is, we started getting invaded with ladybugs again. It was fine with, you know what, earlier, I mean, all day today, because that other ordeal happened yesterday, I think. We came back down here. It's been fine. We had a great afternoon. The ladybug stayed up there. I think I even kicked up some stink bugs. And so we come back down here, and they seem to leave us alone. A couple stragglers came along, but once we scared them off, we were good. So the rest of the afternoon was good. All evening, all morning. The first part of today was nice when it was sunny out. And I don't know if it had anything to do with it or not, but when it started clouding up, it's like they slowly started kind of moving back, you know, migrating down here or whatever. But they've been pestering us ever since, you know, dive bombing you, like, get off me, or all my glasses, you know, they're just really annoying. Quite a few got in the rig, and we're just kind of getting tired of getting invaded. So we're gonna get down off this hill. We're gonna get out of this area. Yeah, it's crazy. They're just a nuisance. He's kind of getting ready to go anyway. We was planning on leaving in the morning. Now this is a free campsite, so we're not out any money either way. And had a couple nice days here. But, it's time to go. We'll leave the ladybugs behind. We'll give them their place back. Huh? Come on. We're gonna finish getting ready to go. Okay? Okay? What? You think I'm kidding? Look at them on the outside. At least most of them are on the outside. There's a couple inside. There goes 3. They're in a race. There's 1. Oh, there's 3 on the inside. 1 up there. Up there. Where are they at here? There. Okay. 2 more here. This whole window, it's got to be 20 of them around here. On the windshield. Yeah, there's a few inside. Don't like it. Don't like it. Go on, outside. Outside. That one fell in. Man. Yeah, we're getting out of here. It's crazy. Ain't never seen such a thing. Yeah. Look. Look, watch this. Hey. Da, 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 da. They're on the mirror. Look at them all up there.
Okay. See all those?
Oh wait, look. Look down here.
But we are getting out of here.
It's crazy.
I never seen ladybugs attack like this. I've never seen this.
Actually, I seen it yesterday when we was up in the field. You should have seen this side of Russ's RV. It was nuts. We were both like, what is going on? We're out of here. I wonder what the stone wall was for. I wonder if it was an old homestead or a farm or something that they just built all these stone. I mean, it goes on and on, way down the road. I should have looked up some history of this place. Bella, what do you see, girl? I see water. And more water on this side. There's a herring out there. Alright, back out. We're almost back out this twisty, windy road onto our next destination out here somewhere. Good morning, everybody. We are, actually Bella's taking care of some morning business. Give me just a minute here. Alright. We have got to get a move on. We are not making very good progress getting to the south. We're barely south of Cincinnati, Ohio. I think we're closer to Cincinnati than we are Lexington, Kentucky. And we stayed at this lovely Walmart last night. And yeah, we need to get heading south. I looked at the forecast, and it's very mild this morning. It's like 60 degrees. Gonna be well into the 70s, almost 80 today. But then in just a couple of days or so, it's gonna go down in the 20s at night and highs in the mid 40s. We need to get moving and stay ahead of this cold front that's gonna move in. We need to make some tracks here pretty quickly. That's kind of nice. Gas is only $2.96 a gallon here. We'll probably top off. Actually, we're gonna go. No, we might go a little bit further south. It's only $2.91 down at a Flying J. Not too much further to the south. I stopped there because they also have a dump station at that Flying J, and get fresh water and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, we need to get some tracks made today. Bella, hey, what say you? Bella, huh? What say you? Hey, there's a Dunkin' Donuts up there. Might be a good way to start the day, huh? Get some donuts. Could be a donut day, girl. Actually, before we take off, Walmart is open, and well, he's cruising. Walmart opened up. We're gonna run in and grab a couple of things. Need to restock. I should mention too that our little stay up there with the ladybug invasion, you know, it was just, we did have some good times without them before they got crazy on us. It was nice to get up there and relax, take a break from tools. You know, this last however long getting ready to leave up the garage, there was nothing but tools, fixing and just getting stuff ready, and then right on the heels of that, going out and helping our friend Colleen out. It's like, I just want to put my tools away for a while. So we got up there, and you know, I did that for a couple of days. It was just relaxing. The weather was nice, and it was just nice to finally take a break from tools. And going out and helping our friend Colleen, as tired as I was of working on stuff, I was more than happy to do that. I would have bothered me if I wouldn't have. You know, it wasn't too much out of our way, but I just had to do it. And I got And I appreciate too everybody comment, so many comments on that, saying what a good guy I was. I don't know. I appreciate all the comments. But you know, it's just something that that would have bothered me if I wouldn't have done it. So, just something I wanted to do, had to do, and wanted to do, and it worked out really well. It's running good. She's back on her way. Everybody's happy, so that's a good thing, right? All right, we'll be up and rolling here shortly. All right, we'll be back whenever we maybe have made some progress, get somewhere, maybe see something cool and exciting. We'll check back in then, whenever. All right, I'll see you.